Good morning, grade 2 students. Today our math learning target is I can find the missing number in adding and subtracting questions. Usually you have to find the answer, but in these questions today you'll have the answer and there'll be a different number missing. Let's get started. We're going to start with some adding questions. So you can see our first question has a bit of a picture, and this is a picture of 2 plus 3 equals 5. You can tell that this is 2 plus 3 equals 5 because you have that picture. There's 2 there. There's 3 there, and to get the total amount, you add up 2 plus 3 more, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 altogether. So that's what this is a picture of. We're going to use these to find the missing numbers in adding and subtracting questions. So let's see. Our next question is going to be 4 plus 2 equals something. Well, what would that picture look like? I guess we would start with 4, and then we would have to add something to it. We would probably add 2 more. And how many is that all together? Well, we have 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. There are 6 blocks altogether. That's what the picture for 4 plus 2 equals 6 will look like. Are you ready for some tricky ones? 3 plus something equals 7. Well, let's make a picture for this. I'm sure it's going to start with 3, and then we'll have some more, and all together we should have 7. Is that what you think? What do you think it's going to be? How many more do we have to add to get 7? I'm not sure, but we have 3. Let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a picture of 3 plus something equals 7. Well, how many are here? I counted 4. Did you get the same answer? 3 plus 4 is 7. Now, at the bottom, I have 20 blocks. And this is going to get a little bit tricky. We're going to have this question here. 20 equals 13 plus something. How many are we going to have to add to 13 to get 20? I'm not sure how many that is, but if I shaded in all of the ones, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're all numbered for us. 11, 12, 13. So 13 will leave the same. And let's color in some of the other ones. So we'll color in, I don't want to wreck my thing. Let's see. We'll color in all the way up to 20. How many is that going to be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 20 equals 13 plus 7. 13 we left, and we just had to color in 7. What do you think? Do you think you can do some of these on your own? Try it in your book. But before we finish, I'd like to show you something even harder. We can do similar things with subtracting. we have our question. 6 minus something equals 4. Interesting. Well, in our picture, we have 6. And we're going to have to cross some off. We don't know how many we have to cross off. So 6 minus something, I don't know, equals 4. We want to make sure that we leave 4. So let's cross them off until we have 4 left. It looks like we only had to cross off 2. Okay, not bad. Let's look at another one. This one says 5 equals 7 minus something. Well, in our picture we have 7, and we want to cross them off so that we have 5 left. Do you know how many we're going to have to cross off? Let's see, I could start at the 7 and go backwards. I could start at the 5 and go up. I think I'll do that. So 5, and then I crossed off 2. Here, this is a picture of 5 equals 7 minus 2. Let's see if we can get harder. Okay, this time I don't have a picture. I'll have to make a picture. Let's see, it says 8 minus something equals 2. Well, we're going to start with 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to have to take some away so that I have only 2 left. How many do I have to take away? 2, 3, 4. It looks like I had to take away 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. We have the hardest one left. Here it is. There's a lot of squares, a lot of boxes. 20 minus something equals 5. Well, I know that I have to keep 5. So I'm going to leave those ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll leave that. And I'm going to cross off the rest. I wonder how many I'll cross off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to have to cross off the rest. I think, though, that this is going to be 10 in the bottom that I'll have to cross off. So I think that we'll have 15 altogether. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah? 20 minus 15 equals 5. Can I show you something secret? This is not grade 2 math. This is what high school math will look like. In high school math, instead of putting a blank, they're going to put a letter in there. They're going to put something like this. 5 plus x. And that's how they make x in high school. It's crazy. And equals 10. X is just the mystery number that we have to figure out. So we could read it like this. 5 plus something equals 10. Do you know what x is in our problem here? I think x is 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So x is 5. But x isn't 5 in every question. X can be different in any question. So you might have like 1 plus something equals 4. But in high school, they won't write something there. They'll put a letter for this mystery number that we don't know what it is. They'll put something like, maybe they'll call it y. They'll say 1 plus y equals 4. Have you figured out what y equals in this question? If you guessed it was 3, you are correct. Good job. Anyways, I hope that was fun for you, and show me what you can do in our math workbook. Take care and God bless.